Yes, is the very popular and most used ESP32 development board with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection built in. It has a Type-C connector for interface with the personal computer. It has a reset and boot button. Also, we have two LEDs. One of them is for powering or indicating power, and the second one that can be programmed. I have already attached pin wires that will be directly attached to my screen, and it goes like this. By the way, you can see the pin mapping between the ESP32 and the screen in the code. This is a DIY project that you need to make by yourself using the ESP board and the TFT screen, but there is a fully made, take a look, in case ESP32 with this kind of display, and it's perfectly made. And right now I'm running a digital Wi-Fi clock. Also, this product will be in description below, so you can check the full video review. Also, in 3, 2, 1. Take a look! Isn't that cool? Come on, it looks so beautiful. Also, it shows the real date and the real clock, and it's a Wi-Fi project, and this is not finished code, but I'm gonna place it in description below so you can check it. Maybe you can modify and make it better. And I'm planning right here at this red circle to add some kind of graphics, and also I am planning to add a button where I can select two buttons maybe, so I can select and make some changes to set the time, maybe to set up some kind of effect. I don't know, but it turned out pretty awesome. Take a look. As you can see, I enjoy to work with ESP boards and TFT screens, and here it is, my biggest and latest TFT project, which is 5-in-1 Cyberdeck. I have a full video how to make this. Just visit the link in description below and you can find it. It's a ESP32 LVGL for Arduino development board with 1.28 inch 240 by 240 pixel resolution IPS smart display screen LCD TFT module with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and touch. And the price for this product from AliExpress is around $14 US, and I know that right now the prices are crazy, but what we can do? But for $14 US you can get this product, which inside have the ESP32 microcontroller. And as I said, in today's video I will show you two new code examples that I made for this product. Let's start today's video. And for those who are seeing this product for the first time, let me explain that inside this product there is a similar and smaller ESP32 development board just like this one, connected with wires to the screen with a world map, Wi-Fi connection to show the clock, and below there is a Wi-Fi signal meter, and from time to time there are red spots that indicate some kind of find. And take a look how nice is moving that dial around the display. So how I made this code example, there is an image, the world map, and above that image we have the dial that act like a radar, which is moving around the display. It shows, as I said, the clock. That is not perfect code. You can see it when the dial reach the Wi-Fi meter, it erases it, but I need to fix that in the code. And I love that red dot indicating some kind of maybe aircraft, And it's a beautiful Wi-Fi clock. What do you think? Please comment below. What should I change it or modify on this code? I have uploaded the second code example and let's take a look. Also, it's an image on the screen and it's a Wi-Fi clock. You can see those 4 7-segment LED displays, and right now they're showing the clock, and we have a beautiful round 360 degrees seconds counter, and when we'll be fully fill it up to the top, it will disappear and start again from beginning. But it looks like a retro watch, like those Nixie tube watches or clocks. What do you think? Isn't this beautiful code example? And by the way, you can download for free the code examples. I will put them in description below. Oh, nice effect. I love this 1.28-inch ESP32 development board in a case. Just to mention that using this module I have made couple of different code examples, and you can see that on the phone that I also made a matrix rain effect also, and also I have made a beautiful Wi-Fi clock with space theme and falling stars. I have a full video about that, and also will be included in description below so you can check it and take a look. Beautiful, beautiful. You can do a lot of interesting things using this ESP32 development board. So I hope you enjoyed in today's video and learned something new. If so, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Tomorrow I upload new videos every day. Remember that, and subscribe.